Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you how to do small, neat lemonade braids. You want to make sure that your hair is already pre-sectioned on your stand, and you're going to grab one piece of hair that you already have sectioned on your stand, and you're going to break that one piece into 3 to 4 smaller pieces, and then you're going to go ahead and add it into your braid one by one before you add in your regular size pieces that you've already sectioned. During this process, you want to make sure that you're not pulling the person's edges. You're handling their hair gently and slowly, and you're moisturizing their hair each time you get to the point where you're going to add in a piece of hair. Okay, you guys, so now this part, when it comes to the sectioning, you want to make sure that it's nice and small. Don't rush. We don't want chunky, thick pieces. We want nice, small sections so that the braids can look nice and neat. Now, when it comes to those edges, if it's too tight, it just ain't right.